word, yo. What do we have here, baby? Ooh. I ain't even gonna tell you. I'm just opening it up, yo. But yo, last time I copped the belt from WWE.com, they ain't send this shit in no big ass box like this, yo. It was like half the size. But this one I copped off of Amazon, know what I mean? So, yo, Amazon be illin', bro. They sent this shit in some wild ass fucking Undertaker coffin size shit. Ooh, baby. That ain't wild. Yo, take a look at this. What the fuck was the point of this, yo? Look at all the space in here, yo. Oh my God, bro. It's all good. Crazy, bro. I know you can see it. You see what we have here, right? Yo, like a kid in a candy store, bro. Like a kid in a fucking candy store, bro. I get hyped, bro. You ready for it? Ooh! Look at that right there, baby. The Big Eagle. Woo! The detail on this, man. Oh, I don't even want to put my fingerprints on it, man. Oh, that's nice. Take this off right here. Plastic off the snap box real quick. Oh my Lord. Nice and heavy too. Get a close up on that, man. This Big Eagle, man. Ooh, baby. Can't wait to throw this up on the shelf. It's gorgeous, man. Very nice. Wow. There it is, my friends. There you have it, boy. The WWE Big Eagle, man. But it's nice, man. It's nice. Snap box look nice. I mean, strap feel decent. You know what I mean? You know, it's good. No? Yeah, buddy. Very excited, man. So there's another one, man. I think this is belt number 5 to my collection. You know what I mean? I would say belt number 6, but you know, one belt belongs to my wife because, you know, she NXT Women's Champion, you know what I mean? So, you know, I'm gonna get mine though. I'm gonna see you, Tommaso Ciampa. Coming for my shit, baby. That's word. Word, yo! Big Eagle, baby. Bang!